So I have my Thinkdiag2. Let's test it out on this Alfa Romeo setup. So I will connect it to OBD port. Turn on ignition. I know that VIN scan will not work for this Alfa, but let's give it a shot anyway. Scanning VIN information failed, like expected, so we can just select Alfa Romeo. Wait, where is Alfa? Oh, here is Alfa Romeo. Okay, click Alpha, and now it will connect. Let's do manually select. I don't think it would be able to scan which model it is, and we can do health report to scan for all fault codes. In this setup here we have 6 modules, so let's see if it can scan all of them. If you're looking for a new OBD2 scanner but you don't know which one is the best, go on my website. I have tested literally about 200 different OBD2 scanners, and there you can find a list of best tools in every category possible. Okay, so we have scanned finish, and it was able to scan all modules. All 6 modules are scanned and we can see fault codes. So here we have list of fault codes, but I am not that interested about fault codes. We can see it can communicate with all modules. So let's just go into specific modules like instrument cluster. So inside instrument cluster module, I want to go to these special functions. Some scanners can rewrite odometer on this Alpha. Let's try it. But always it works only for adding mileage, so you cannot put lower value. Right now we have 300,000. But lower value will not work. At least didn't work before with any scanner. Let's try doing 250. No, still 300,000. But if I select, let's say 350, it should change. Programming completed. And we have 350,000. Let's try checking some of other special services. Let's change module now. We can go inside body. Also we can test bidirectional testing if it works, like low beams or high beams, turn signals. Okay, so bidirectional testing works as well. What about special functions inside body module? Nothing really interesting. How about if we go to engine instead? Let's try actuation tests first. We can do engine fan. Okay. But let's also check those special functions. There should be injector coding. Here you can code your injectors. And we can also read out current codes. So these are current codes from injectors. So it's for diesel fuel injector. I cannot see it here, but when you buy new injectors, you can see the new code. So that code you will just input with this service reset. And then I also want to check key programming, what functions we will see here. Go to immobilizer. So we have some anti-theft password, but this is only for Fiat Fremont apparently. And then inside immobilizer, let's check these options. So Europe, but this seems only like Fiat models. I cannot see Alpha. Oh wait, here is another option, Alfa Romeo. Immo key programming. Let's do manually select. But there is no 147. How about doing auto scan? Nope. Okay, so no key programming with Thinkdiag2 for this Alpha. I have literally tested hundreds of different OBD2 scanners, and I run the best OBD2 scanner website. There you can find best OBD2 scanners for literally every category. You can see real procedures done with the scanner, you can see scanner reviews. Anything related to OBD2 scanners you can find at my website iamkareker.com, and even download free PDF guides like this.